Hi everyone. So for quite a while now, I've been using etoro. etoro is a stockbroking platform that you can use to buy and sell like stock, crypto, commodities, forex online. So if you have an etoro account and now you want to withdraw the funds back to your bank account, whether you're in Malaysia or in other countries, today we're going to walk through how to withdraw funds from etoro. Now, if you can't wait and maybe you need the money urgently or in crypto form, today we'll be covering on an alternative method from etoro to etoro money, and then from etoro money to Luno, and then Luno to our Malaysian bank account. For the first method, I'll put the link above and in the description below. So now back to the etoro app. With your available cash balance, you need to buy a crypto. So I'm going to buy some Ethereum and then go to the etoro money app. etoro money is a separate app from the etoro app. etoro money is mainly to store, send and receive your crypto. Make sure you have created a Ethereum wallet. In this case, if you haven't, you can tap the create wallet button below. Then from the etoro app, you can transfer any of these cryptos to the etoro money app. You can transfer like Bitcoin from the etoro app to the Bitcoin wallet in the etoro money app or any other crypto. But again, in this tutorial, in this example, we're going to transfer Ethereum from the etoro app to the etoro money app. Now back in the etoro app, go to the Ethereum you just bought and then tap position. Then under current value, tap transfer to wallet. So the process should take about 1 business day or within 1 business day. With that, the position will stay open. And once you transfer out and to your etoro money app, you cannot transfer back into your etoro app. That means it's only a one-way transaction. So anyway, to proceed, tap transfer to etoro money wallet. Then you'll be prompted to enter a verification code, and within minutes and then hours, the Ethereum is now in my etoro money wallet app. So next is to send it to Luno, and remember you must transfer within the same cryptocurrency. That means from Ethereum to Ethereum or Bitcoin to Bitcoin. So that means Ethereum from etoro money wallet to Ethereum in Luno wallet exchange. In your Luno app, go to your Ethereum wallet, then tap more, then in the pop-up below, tap receive and then copy your Luno Ethereum receive address. Then back in your etoro money app, in the Ethereum wallet app, tap send, and then here paste the Luno address you copied earlier. That means you're receiving Luno address, the address, copy and paste here in your etoro money app. Then tap send, and within minutes or maybe within hours, you should receive the Ethereum in your Luno Ethereum wallet. And then to convert to ringgit and then to withdraw to a Malaysian bank account. You can sell it instantly or in the Luno exchange in the Luno app, and then subsequently withdraw to your Malaysian bank account from Luno. This is one of the ways, or rather the second way, to transfer money from your etoro app to your Malaysian bank account. This is a rather longer process and lengthier process, but it's a faster and quicker process if you need the money urgently and conveniently. So that's it on withdrawing from etoro. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to stay tuned for more videos like this and in real estate, investing, finance, and home and living. And thanks for watching and see you in the next video.